Today, I will teach you a simple home relaxation technique. Start by rubbing both sides of the head. After rubbing, grasp like this, from the top of the head to the back of the skull. The area at the back of the neck. Use this kind of lifting and pinching technique. Grasp upwards on the shoulders. Then, simply massage a bit.
Scapula massage. Step 1. Hook and knead the scapular bone seam with fingers. Step 2. Divide and push outwards from the center of the scapular bone seam. Step 3. Straight push with a clenched fist. Step 4. Strengthen along the scapular bone seam with finger knuckles. Step 5. Alternately push upwards with the webs between thumbs and index fingers of both hands. Step 6. Overlap palms to push and knead the entire scapula. Complete version of home back massage. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 2. Alternately pluck and knead the Daswi acupoint. Step 3. Divide and push the scapular bone seam on both sides. And point knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 4. Straight push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine down to the waist, pushing to the waist and retracting with a circular motion. Step 5. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 6. Clench both hands into fists and rub the entire back until warm. Reduce force upon reaching the waist. Finally, soothe the entire back. Have you learned it? Chest lymphatic massage. Step 1. Point knead Huagai acupoint, Zhigang acupoint, Yutong acupoint, and Danzhong acupoint in sequence. Step 2. Push the clavicular lymph nodes horizontally with your thumb. Step 3. Straight push the bronchial lymph nodes along the Ren meridian. Step 4. Divide and push the mammary lymph nodes on both sides. Step 5. Point knead around the mammary gland for one circle with your thumb pad. Step 6. Straight push with finger knuckles and both clenched fists. Step 7. Soothe and relax in circles. Complete version of waist massage tutorial. Step 1. Apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Relax the entire waist area. Step 2. Straight push 5 to 8 times. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 3. Straight push upwards and then knead outwards to the sides. Can repeat 15 to 20 times. Step 4. Straight push with finger knuckles 5 to 8 times. Step 5. After straight pushing, push outwards to both sides. Can repeat 20 times. Step 6. Scrape and knead upwards from the bottom with finger knuckles 5 to 8 times. Step 7. Alternately lift and pull the dimeridian on both sides of the waist with both palms. Step 8. Rub this position until warm with the hypothenar eminence. Today I will share the complete version of abdominal massage. Step 1. Soothe in circles. Step 2. Massage the Ren meridian in the middle of the abdomen with palm heels. Step 3. Point press these acupoints in sequence. Note the specific location of each acupoint. Step 4. Push the abdomen horizontally with both thumbs. Step 5. Push and scrape the abdomen with finger knuckles. Step 6. Use finger pads to press and knead around the navel. Step 7. Use finger knuckles to press and knead around the navel. Step 8. Alternately use palms to push and knead around the navel. Step 9. Overlap both hands to perform a rhombus push. Step 10. Push and pull the abdomen horizontally with both hands. Step 11. Horizontally pinch and hold the abdomen with the web between the thumb and index finger. Step 12. Perform back and forth elbow pushing for relaxation. Note that for all the above techniques, clockwise can relieve constipation, counterclockwise can relieve diarrhea. Arm meridian massage techniques. Straight push the middle pericardium meridian with the thumb pad. Divide and push the heart meridian and lung meridian on the left and right sides. Along the palm towards the body direction, alternately push horizontally with both thumbs. Push the entire arm with finger knuckles in a single clenched fist. Finally, use palm kneading to relax the entire arm. Teach you how to relax your knees in 5 actions. Action 1. Use thumbs to divide and separate upwards from bottom to top. Action 2. Use thumbs alternately to push horizontally up and down. Action 3. Use both thumbs to push and knead up and down along the kneecap. This can effectively eliminate long-term knee discomfort. Action 4. Use finger knuckles to push both sides of the knee. Action 5. Use palms to draw circles and push and knead. Learn it quickly for your family. Is stress getting to you? Or maybe you're just aiming to feel more vibrant and resilient long-term? Simple home foot massage is definitely worth a try. It really taps into your body's incredible self-righting power. Focusing on spots connected to your nervous system can seriously chill out tension, dial down stress reactions, lead to much better sleep, and truly brighten your mood. Keep this simple habit up regularly, and it helps your body heal itself, supports staying youthful, and keeps you from feeling run down.